Bandwidth and storage space estimations. On the tab Bandwidth and Storage Space, you can estimate required disk storage space to store the video archive and required network bandwidth for network cameras. You can add a group of similar cameras and specify camera resolution, compression used, for example, H.264, number of frames per second. It is recommended to use at least 6 frames per second. Number of days. Information should be kept secure and retained for no longer than is necessary for the purpose of the system. A minimum of 14 days is recommended for small CCTV systems, or 31 days by Australian standard. Next is the number of cameras. In the bottom right corner of the screen, we will see the resulting disk space and network bandwidth. In case your cameras are not recording constantly, you can specify a recording percentage. You can also use the internal schedule calculator. To summarize, I'd like to tell you about the benefits of using our program. Using our program, you can quickly test different scenarios without actually taking the time to install cameras. You will be able to show end users exactly why they need this type of camera and why it needs to be placed in this position and why you need a certain number of cameras. By using this program, you'll exhibit professionalism and caring towards your client, standing out from your competitors. Thank you for watching. Please post your comments under this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.